Hello everyone, my name is Sabrina and this is the deep learning exam project. My question is to implement the image classification with the CNN model using the I used this dataset from Kaggle, this natural image dataset. Report your classification and save the model and then predict on the testing data. Report the prediction and check has been predicted correctly. Here I will show you the code here. Just the code has a problem because I didn't be able to run it in GPU. I think there is GPU CPU problem. So I imported the necessary library. I used SciPyder. This is my paths. So this is all my classes data, airplane images, car, and etc. I will put everything into this resized image folder after resizing it. I will show you my my data. This is my data, airplane, car, and each one has its own class of image. And what I did is that I created this folder and I resized all the images and I put everything into this folder. As you see, there is all the images: cat, dog, bike, etc. And this is my just for the dimension. And here I read each the directory. Airplane data, for example, is the path to the airplane images. And what I am doing is that I save everything into the resized image. And I did the same for all the classes, dog, for all the folders. I open every folder and I resized all the images of each class. When I mean class, dog, car, airplane, etc. And I put everything into the resized image. And now this is my images, all the images that I have. I are put in the resized image. And here I want just to print one image 0, the first image, and show and here I printed the number of images in this folder images, because I put all the images into images variable, and I want to see the number of images that contain this for this folder resized image. And here I flattened my image and I put it into array. I used the same resized image because now I am using only this resized image folder that contain all the images. This is all my classes. I created the label variable that contain the samples of each class, the number, all the samples. For example, for the airplane, it goes from 0 to 726 because there is 727 samples, and here from 727 to 1694, and etc. for every class. And I have 8 classes: airplane, car, cat, dog, flower, fruits, and motorbike, person. And here I splitted my data into train and test, and after I reshaped my data and scale it. Here I need the numerical data for my target. So I used the NP util to categorize my target Y train and Y test. And here is the label. After that, I just used this 200 this label I200, and here I created the sequential model with the conventional layers, and I used the dropout 02 and 05, and this is my output layer with softmax activation and 8, because I have 8 classes, and this is the summary of my model. After that, I compiled my model and feed my model after compilation. If you see here, if I compile it, you see that my model was compiled, but I got a problem when I try to fit my data. This is the problem I got. I tried to fix it, but it didn't fix. I will try to fix it again. And here I saved my model into model.h5 and evaluate my model on testing data. After that, this is the test score 0, and the percentage, and this is the accuracy, which is score 1. And here, as you see, this is the prediction on the image. This is the predicted value of one image, and this is the actual value. We will see if the prediction and the actual value are similar. Thank you.